Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Webull is designed for intermediate and experienced traders, with many tools that beginner traders will enjoy as well. It uses a commission-free structure that allows active and short-term traders to save a good chunk of money on commissions when compared to other online brokers.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Do you check my credit history? Will applying for a brokerage account with Webull affect my credit history? We only run a soft inquiry on your credit history for background check purposes. Soft inquiries do not appear on your credit report and will not affect your credit score.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Like deposit, Webull supports ACH and wire transfer for withdrawal. Cash available to withdraw is the maximum cash that can be withdrawn. If your cash available to withdraw is less than your cash balance, it may be caused by following reasons. If deposited by wire transfer, the holding period is 1 trading day.
Make your mark, take our lead.
After testing 11 of the best online brokers over 3 months, Webull, 65.17%, is better than Robinhood, 62.62%. Webull offers a unique community experience and easy-to-use trading platforms that will satisfy most young investors.
Let's help you make your mark.
Webull is considered safe because it is regulated by top-tier financial authorities and provides a maximum of $500,000 investor protection, including a $250,000 limit for cash under the Securities Investor Protection Corporation's SIPC protection scheme.
Take our lead.
Through the SIPC coverage and additional insurance through Apex, Webull is able to offer a safe trading platform where investors can rest assured their account is in good, insured hands. Furthermore, because trading on Webull is completely free, there's no reason not to try it out.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.